Congratulations on going through all the training. It's now time to put it all together. Now, one of the fastest ways to make money online is to be an affiliate and promote other people's products. Now, let's make it clear. Affiliate marketing doesn't have to be expensive and complicated. Affiliate marketing strategies have a simple concept. You are selling a product or service for others. All you need to do is make a sale. Therefore, you can earn money through commissions without having your own product. It is easy and simple, but you can make a profit by just making your focus to sell a product as an affiliate. The process of affiliate marketing comes in three ways. First, start by choosing a product that you like. Second, promote it in the most efficient way that you can and offer an awesome bonus. Lastly, the best part is make a profit out of it. Selling products for other people means that you are earning for yourself as well. So everyone who does business in affiliate marketing needs to have an affiliate link where all your payments and purchases made are tracked. Then you get paid with commissions based on the number of sales. Now remember that in any business, how much you earn is based on how much work you do. Therefore, do your best to create the best marketing campaigns to make it effective and productive. So what is the best way that we can offer to achieve the best, effective, and productive marketing campaign? That's why we introduced the good things about having a great bonus offer. Bonuses are designed to convince the potential customer to buy through your affiliate link and not from someone else. This is to get the sale in the midst of all the competition. Remember, your goal is to convert subscribers into buyers to get more sales. Think like you're a customer. Bonuses mean more value to the product. Create a great bonus and great promotion that will make a great edge and would truly excel in the market. It is very important for you to take a good promotion and create a proper campaign that will generate sales for you. So selecting the right product is very important. But everyone makes a bonus offer, right? No, most people are very lazy and they don't. The easiest way for you to convert subscribers into more sales is to offer everyone a killer bonus offer. Regardless of your method, nothing is more important than an appealing bonus that will help them get closer to their goals. There are different ways to make a killer bonus offer, and we've discussed them throughout this training. We've discussed how to create a good bonus page, plus how to deliver the bonus content effectively. We have tackled all the issues that might affect your goal to becoming a great affiliate marketer. We have talked about your journey in affiliate marketing, and we've got you ready to go to start your career as an affiliate marketer. Thank you for being with us. Best wishes and good luck.